everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you won't miss out on my new videos. Today we're going to be doing a empty products haul. I've got a whole bag here of stuff that I need to put in the recycling, so we're going to get this over with. The first one I have here is from Peter Thomas Roth. It was the Cucumber Detox Hydrogel Eye Patches. I did not care for these. I think I got these in some type of sample thing or something like that. I don't remember. I know I didn't pay for them. I know that much because I wouldn't pay for them. But these were kind of like those little silicone gel, and they might still be in here. Let me look here. No, I threw them out. But they were like these little silicone gel things that you like put under your eyes, and then it had the serum on them. But I like the ones that are like a kind of like a cloth better because I feel like that soaks up the serum better, so you have more. But with those gel ones, the serum just kind of like ends up staying in the packaging. I don't know how to explain it. I don't feel like you get your money's worth with these, and plus I don't feel like they're very good on the environment. That's just my take on that. I feel like the cloth ones would be better for the environment. So these are, no, I wouldn't buy those. And then I've got 3 packs of my face cleansing towelette things, makeup remover wipes. So I've got the pore refining ones, and these are all by the same brand, that Spa Descriptions. I think I got these all at either TJ Maxx or Gordon's or something like that. One of those places where you get discount stuff. So we got the pore refining ones. Those ones are okay. We've got the anti-aging with grapefruit and collagen. These ones I liked because they smell really good. They were really refreshing. And then I have the charcoal ones, which were cool because they were actually black instead of white. I just thought that was kind of cool, so I like those. So we've got my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Love this stuff. I always go through this. We've got the Drunk Elephant TLC Frambosis Glycol Night Serum. This was my first bottle, so I got the smaller one in case I didn't like it. Loved it, obviously, so now I have the big bottle that I'm working on. I got the Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. Love this stuff. So this is the smaller bottle. I got the bigger one now. This is stuff that smells like black licorice and I think it's lemongrass. I don't know if it has it on here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's black licorice and lemongrass. I'm not gonna throw that because I don't want to freaking something. And then we have the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. This was like another sample thing that I picked up, probably from Sephora. Love this. I would definitely buy the bigger version of this. Unfortunately, I have so many eye creams that I want to use up the other eye creams I have first, but this was really good. I liked it. Doesn't really smell like anything, but this is good. I like that. And then I've gone through a thing of Carmex, which is nice to use. I like to use this if my lips are really chapped. I'll put it on before I take a shower or before I do a facial, and then instead of like wiping it off or whatever, I'll put sugar on my lips and I'll scrub it around and then I'll wipe it off, and I feel like that gets rid of dry skin that you might have. Went through another bottle of my Thayer's Witch Hazel formula with the rose petals. Love that stuff. Let's see, we've got Garnia. I don't remember how you pronounce that. The micellar cleansing water. This is the waterproof one. Love this stuff. We've got the Nature Made Adult Gummies, Hair, Skin, and Nails. So I used to have one that was like prenatal because I was told you could take prenatal ones, but they were like sugar coated and I didn't really care for them. So I've just got these ones instead, and I do like these because they're just like little gummies, so it makes it taste good. It's funner to take than taking the actual vitamin, but I feel like a vitamin would be more beneficial than eating gummies, so I don't know. We'll see. I have another bottle of these I'm working on. Dove Deep Moisture Nourishing Body Wash. Love this stuff. I get like really dry skin now, and I don't know if it's because I shower too much or I'm just getting older or what, but sometimes I will take like 2 showers a day depending on what I've been doing that day. If I feel like I like to go to bed clean. I don't like to get in my bed feeling like I'm dirty, because then I feel like my sheets are always dirty. So I usually always take a shower before I go to bed at night. But I'll usually pick this up at Target, and a lot of times Target has some pretty good deals. So like right now I have 4 bottles of this because they had some deal like buy 3 get 1 free or something. So love this. Got Saint Moors, I think that's how you pronounce it, the gradual tanning lotion. I did like this, but I'd rather have something that gives me like a nice tan right away. And this is nice to use in between tans, so like your skin doesn't get dry and then it tans you as well. But you can always buy I think it's the L'Oreal brand of tanning lotion for cheaper. So, and then we've got the L'Oreal Powder Sublime Bronze 360 degree spray. And I like this because it helps get my back. But I saw a video where a girl was using self-tanner and she had like one of those shower kind of scrub things, except it was more like a sponge, and that she put the tanning stuff on and then like put it on her back, and it looked like it got pretty even. So I might try that instead of using this, because then I feel like I could use the same product instead of using this on my back and a different product everywhere else and not getting like the same color. So yeah, I'll probably try what that girl did. And then of course we get 2 bottles of my Batiste dry shampoo. This is my favorite scent, the Tropical. However, I am testing out the Rose Gold scent, and I kind of like that one too. I kind of like all of them, but this has been my favorite, the Tropical. So I got 2 of these. And then we've got a whole bottle of the apple cider vinegar that I've gone through, and I'm going to try to go through these a lot quicker than I have been, because I've been drinking it twice a day now as opposed to once a day, or not at all because I get lazy and I don't do it. But yeah, apple cider vinegar. You can use this for a lot of stuff. And then we've got this Pure Ones pumpkin spice. This is like from the fall, but I finally like finished it. I have all those little like reed things around my different rooms, and I also have like wall plugins and candles. I just really love, and it's not that like I live in an area where like the air is stale or something, but I just like it when it smells good. I like it when you walk in a room and you're like, oh, that smells so good. So the pumpkin spice was good. I'll get another one this fall. And like the only makeup item we have is this LA Girl Line Art matte eyeliner, and this isn't empty, but it just sucked, so don't get that. And the last product that I have here is my Nude Beauty Blender, and I try to change these out every 6 months. Maybe for some people that's too long to wait, but for me that's perfect because I have more than one beauty blender. So I actually have 2 new ones. I like the nude and the black. So these are the 2 that I usually use. And I'll use the nude for foundation. I'll use the black for powder. So I already have 2 new ones here that I got. I think I got these during the Christmas 20% off. Is that what it was? No, it was the spring 20% off. So instead of changing them out, this one, the black one, was still pretty good. And I just decided to start using the Morphe ones that I picked up. So I haven't changed out to my 2 new beauty blenders yet, but this one has been sitting in the throwaway bin because it's just like, I mean, look at the end of it here. Don't focus. It's just pretty bad. It's all stained and all that. But I wanted to cut it open and see what it looked like on the inside. And I've done this before, but I've never done it on camera. So we're going to cut this open before we toss it out. So I got my scissors. Try not to cut my fingers off here. Let's cut it the long way. I've yet to see one that looked nasty, so this should be interesting. Alright. Ah! Just dropped it. It actually doesn't look too bad. Kind of got all squished up though. I could putting it. But look how much foundation sits in the end of it that you don't get cleaned out. And I'm pretty sure I washed this the last time. I don't see like any black crap. It is like pretty like, it's like hard, like I can definitely feel that there's something in there, but I'm sure it's just the foundation all built up. It's nice and close for you. So that's what it looks like on the inside. What's going on with this one? That looks funny. Oh, it's like sticky. No, it's like sticky, so I'm guessing it's just a lot of foundation built up in there. So, yep. That's what the inside of your beauty blender looks like. It's gonna go in the garbage. So that's everything for my product empties. If you have any questions about the products that I've gone through, just leave it in the comments down below. I always try to respond. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.